Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl Antoria J, back with another video today. So today I'm just gonna be giving y'all my lit vacation haul, baddie haul, whatever you want to call it. It's gonna be super lit. I'm showing y'all all my cute outfits I got for my vacation. I am going to Miami next week, so I'm pulling out. We outside, so stay tuned. Y'all don't want to miss this lit clothing haul. Outfit. So I think this outfit is super cute, y'all. What y'all think? So I got this outfit from Amazon. Yes, Amazon. Don't sleep on Amazon. So this outfit was about $30 on Amazon. I did get it in a size small. I normally wear a small to medium depending on, you know, the size. Can you move? Okay, so this outfit, it does have, so the bottom has good stretch. So it's really good stretch right here. But the top, I would say, it don't have good stretch. Stop. Go eat your cereal.
No.
Say it. So the top, it don't have really good stretch. So if you're more heavy chested, I would say size up. But the bottom, you know, as far as the waistband, it do have good stretch. So I think this is super cute, y'all. This is so I like it. And then also, let me see. It's kind of like a sweater kind of material, but it's breathable, so it's not hot. But anyway, these are the shoes. I don't know if y'all can see them. So these are shoes. I got these shoes from Shein. They was about, I think, $15 on Shein. But I thought this was like so cute, like paired together, because you know I got the green and the two-piece. So the shoes, you know, it brings out the green in the outfit. So I thought this was super cute. Super cute. So let's get on to the next. Y'all, so this is the next outfit. This outfit is so cute. It's just a regular little dress, but it's definitely giving vacation vibes. Like, it's super cute. It has a little cutout detail. It's like one shoulder right here. I am looking in the mirror, so y'all see me like looking off and looking in the mirror. But yeah, this is super cute. It has a little slit on the side, so that's cute or whatever. And then I'll do like a 360 for y'all, so y'all can get like an idea of how it looks. So I did get this in a size small. It is like a spandex kind of material, so it is super stretchy, so that's why I got it a size small, because I wanted it to fit tight. And then also for the shoes, these are the shoes. I just got these shoes from Shein as well. It was about $15, just some baby blue, you know, slides. Cute, real cute. And I'll pull them up so y'all can see them a little better. So that's what the shoe look like. Super cute to go with the dress. So on to the next outfit. Hey y'all, this is the next dress. It's just this pink, brown and white anime dress. I'm pretty sure if y'all like be on Instagram, y'all probably seen this on the boutiques or whatever. So I thought this dress was super cute. I love it. Like, it's just one of those simple dresses, but like, I don't know, it was something about it. I was like, I gotta get this dress for Miami, because you know I love pink, and it's just so cute, y'all. So get into it. I did get this from the Baddie factory. So this, I did get it in a size small as well. Most of the items I got in a size small because I wanted it to fit tight. I didn't want it to be like loose or whatever. But yeah, this is dress. It is like a halter neck. It got like a tie around at the top, and it do tie up at the back. So that's how it looks at the back. So I love it. It's super cute. The material is kind of thin, but it's like, it's not too thin to the point where it's like not even cute. So it's the perfect kind of material, especially for Miami. So I love this dress. And then I'm gonna show y'all white heels to go with this. I thought this was super cute. I did get these heels from my local mall because I don't know, I tried to go with white because I feel like it's a lot of pink in the dress, so I kind of wanted to bring the white out, so that's why I went with white. I love them. So let me know what y'all think in the comment section below. Let's move on to the next one.
Up. Did you big?
Boy, if you don't.
Okay, so my camera did die, so I don't know how much if y'all seen of this outfit, but yeah, this is my cute little outfit. I did get this from Amazon. I did get this in a size medium because I wanted it to fit like comfortable but still cute. I didn't want it to be like super tight. I want to be comfortable, and I'm gonna probably wear this like with a jean jacket while in the airport. So let me show y'all. I did get this from Amazon. This was about only 20 bucks, y'all. So this is perfect for like everyday running errands. It's very stretchy. The quality is good, but it's not like super thick. So like you won't be like super hot when you wear it, but it's like, this is perfect. You can dress it up, dress it in, but comfortable, cute. Make the, and I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Let's move on to the next. Y'all, this is the next outfit, or what you want to call this, next swimsuit. So this is a cute, it's a three-piece set actually. It came with the bikini set, brown, and then this cute little mesh skirt. So I'm not gonna lie, the skirt is the reason why I got this dress, because I just love the colors, and then it's like, it go perfect like with the brown. So I just thought this was like super cute or whatever to wear to the beach, or you know, walk down the South Beach Strip. So yeah, that's why I got this. I did get this from Icon Swim. Now I'm not gonna lie, y'all, like the I got this in an extra small because this is all they had left. So it is, the bikini is a little too small for me. So what I did was I ordered an extra brown bikini set on the side that is my size. But I could get away with it, but I just want to be comfortable and not have to worry about the girls coming out or whatever, in the draw, in the, you know, the bottom being too small. So anyway, yeah, it fits really good. It is true to size. This is an extra small, so the fact that I can still even, you know, get this on is a plus. I got this from Icon Swim, and y'all, this was on sale for $5. $5. You heard me right, $5. So yeah, this whole three-piece set was $5, so I had to get it. I was like, I don't care if I can't fit it, I'm gonna make it work. So yeah. And what I'm gonna wear, what kind of shoes? I'm just gonna wear like some clear sandals with this, not doing too much, just clear sandals and call it a day. But yes, so far all my outfits 10 out of 10. Like, I have no complaints. And for $5, girl, this was $5. I love it. I love it here. Don't look at my stretch marks now, but just coming up to show y'all the detail. I love. Y'all, this is the next swimsuit set, and it is a three-piece set as well. So it comes with the, and this is the correct size. I got this in a medium. So it comes with the bikini set, and then also this cute little cover up. So it's like, I don't know if y'all can see the detailing. It's like kind of mesh, and it got like the little lining detail, and it's tie up, so you can like adjust it how you want to. So that's super cute. I'm gonna wear this with some cute, I got some cute black tie-up sandals, so that's what I'll go ahead and wear this with. But this is super cute. I love this. I got this from Amazon as well. I did get this in a size medium, so I'll just come up so y'all can kind of see the detail of it, and you can kind of like tie it up however you want, so it's not like a, you know, a set way to tie it. So this is just how I chose to tie it up. So yeah, I love this. This is super cute, super cute, and you can like adjust it to your liking. So yeah, simple, cute. This is just like, you know, if you want to go to the beach or whatever, ride jet skis, whatever, this is a cute little, you know, 1, 2, or should I say 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I love this, y'all. So super cute and simple, and everything will be in the description box below. So let's move on to the last. Okay, y'all, so now this last dress, woo, I ain't even gotta say nothing, baby. Y'all see what's going on. So this dress is definitely for the grown and sexy, honey, because ooh, you're gonna be outside with this on. You outside. So this dress is super cute. Well, it's not really a dress, it's really like a cover up. So I wear this to like a beach party. What is it called? A pool party. Yeah, pool party dress for sure. Or you can wear it like as a kind of a swimsuit cover up. So I love this dress, y'all. Like, I got this dress from Amazon. Yes, Amazon. This was like $10, y'all. $10 on Amazon. Oh, this is super cute. Super cute. It is very much see-through, so you're gonna be outside. You very much gonna some black tie sandals that I got, but for the sake of the video, I did go ahead and put on some heels. Are the heels? They're just some black tie-up heels, you know, some simple. I got these from a local mall as well, where I got the white heels from, so I got these from the same place. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all my cute little. Thank y'all so much for watching my video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye.